This week, we're taking a look at the Anycubic Photon. I've been wanting to get one of these resin printers for a while now, and I found a deal that I just couldn't pass up, so I finally got an Anycubic Photon. If you guys are interested in getting one for yourself, I will have a link to it in the description. This video is just going to be an unboxing and first impressions of the printer. I will be releasing some more videos in the future covering how to do your first print, how to post-process and cure and do all those things. But for now, we're just going to check out what came in the box and my thoughts on the printer. So when you first open the box, the first couple of things sitting on top are the spare FEP film for the vat and the user manual. Also included should be this 250 milliliter bottle of green resin, a power adapter, flash drive with a pre-sliced test file, and a variety of tools including a plastic scraper to remove your prints off the bed. They also included some gloves and a mask, but I would highly recommend using a proper respirator instead. Once I got all that stuff out of the way, it was time to check out the printer. Here's the print bed that we will learn how to level in a future video. The only assembly that had to be done on this printer other than plugging in the power cord was putting on this little handle for the flip-up cover. And the vat was mounted inside the printer with a couple of screws holding it in, but we'll be taking a look at that in a future video as well. So that is everything that came with the printer and the printer itself. I've been printing on this thing for a couple days now. I've only gotten a chance to make a few prints. I printed the cube that came preloaded on the flash drive with it, and I also went ahead and sliced and printed a model for a project that I'm working on. But I had a couple of mishaps, and that was totally my fault not doing or not adding enough support material. But for the most part, the prints turned out amazing, and I'm dumbfounded that for the price you can pick up a printer that can do this sort of thing. So if you guys haven't gotten a resin printer already or have been considering getting one, I highly recommend it. And that is pretty much it. I don't have anything left to say about it in this video. I'll be releasing some videos in the future on how to use it and some projects that I'm doing with it. But that is pretty much it for now. If you guys enjoy watching DIY videos, make sure to go hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you guys don't miss out on new ones every single week. And I will see you guys in next week's video.